In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to customize the look and feel of your course website so you can make it stand out, match your brand, and create a great experience for your students. If you're tired of using the same old default templates and you're ready to personalize your course site, stay tuned because I'll walk you through every step. The first thing you need to do is log into your course website platform and head to the customization section. Now, whether you're using a platform like this software or any other, most will have a theme or appearance section where you can tweak the look. Don't worry if you don't have coding experience. I'm going to show you easy to use tools that you can customize without touching a single line of code. The main areas you'll want to focus on are your colors, fonts, and logo. Start by setting your brand colors in the theme section. This software makes it super simple to upload custom color palettes or choose from preset ones. The right color palette will instantly make your site look professional and cohesive with your branding. Next, move on to fonts. You can adjust the typography to make your course site feel more personalized and readable. Our software allows you to select fonts from a wide variety of options. Or if you're sticking to a specific font family for your brand, you can upload your own fonts. A clean, easy-to-read font can make a huge difference in how your content feels to your users. Then you'll want to upload your logo. The logo is an essential piece of branding, so make sure it's the right size and positioned correctly. Most platforms have a simple upload button for your logo, and you can adjust its placement to match the layout of your page. A good logo placement is usually in the top left corner, but feel free to experiment with positioning until you find what feels right. Moving on, another key part of customizing your site is setting up your navigation and layout. You want your students to find everything they need without confusion. This software lets you drag and drop elements to organize your navigation menu easily. Make sure your main course pages, student login, and any resources are easy to access and that the flow feels intuitive. Finally, add some personal touches to your course website with custom images, banners, or videos. You can replace any default images with your own, giving your site a more personalized, branded look. Keep your imagery aligned with your course content to maintain a professional appearance. Now, before we finish, here's the key takeaway. Customizing your course website is about more than just making it look good. It's about creating a seamless branded experience that makes your students feel like they're in the right place. The key elements to focus on are colors, fonts, logo, layout, and imagery. With just a few simple tweaks, you can make your course site look professional, welcoming, and aligned with your brand. And remember, if you want to follow along and use the exact software I showed you in this tutorial, check the description below for an exclusive free trial. It's available only to my viewers here on my channel. Don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to take advantage of that free trial.